Hey guys, Jose here from Yugatech, and today we're checking out yet another INFINIX smartphone, the Note 30. No, not this one. We've already done a review of that, which you can watch on our channel. Instead, we're going to be doing a full review of this, the Note 30 VIP. It's hard to tell the two apart, but it's essentially a more expensive and more powerful version of the Note 30 5G, which is, by the way, a great phone for its price. But just how different are the two phones? I mean, they look identical from the outside anyway, but under the hood, the Note 30 VIP packs a more powerful Dimensity 8050 5G chipset, 12GB of RAM plus 9GB extended RAM, faster charging speeds of up to 68 watts. This phone even has wireless charging. As for the price, it's still under 14,000 pesos, making it very affordable given what it can offer. But does the more powerful specs and higher price make the INFINIX Note 30 VIP worth it? Well, let's find out in this review. In terms of design, the Note 30 VIP looks nearly identical to the Note 30 5G, both from the front and rear. Interestingly, the VIP is a bit smaller though. The unit we have also features a similar colorway to the Note 30 5G, and honestly, it looks great. The phone is still mostly made out of plastic, but it does feel very durable. What we do like is that INFINIX didn't add a metallic or reflective back panel for this more powerful VIP model. And since the back panel isn't reflective, it doesn't attract fingerprints or smudges either. But the same can be said for the frame of the phone, since you still get a lot of fingerprints there. Like the Note 30 5G, the Note 30 VIP features a USB-C port, a 3.5mm audio jack, and dual loudspeakers tuned by JBL. The button placements are the same with the power and volume buttons on the right side, with the dual SIM card slot and micro SD card on the upper left side. Honestly, it feels nice to hold, and it looks great too, even without the case. For its size, the Note 30 VIP is relatively lightweight too, and it's easy to grip with just one hand. So, even when you're walking around, you can use it easily. The screen on the Note 30 VIP measures 6.67 inches with Full HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. There are slimmer bezels all around this time as compared to the Note 30 5G, but you still get a punch out on the top for the front-facing camera. The display looks great with vivid colors and deep blacks. There's even an option to enhance screen colors in the settings if you want to make them more saturated and vivid. I mean, if you want those. But personally, I prefer the more natural colors, which comes with the standard settings. There's a bright backlight too, perfect for those that are always out under the sun, so you will be able to see what you're looking at. Personally, I would still prefer to use the 3.5mm audio jack with my headphones. However, the JBL tuned speakers on this Note 30 VIP are great and loud given the price of the phone. So even if you're watching it, friends, everyone will be able to listen what the video is saying clearly. Powering the Note 30 VIP is a Dimensity 8050 5G chipset, and it comes with 12GB RAM. But if you want more, RAM can be virtually extended by another 9GB, totaling to 21GB. For the Philippine market, there is only one storage option, which is 256GB. It's more than enough, but if you need even more storage, thankfully there is a micro SD slot available. Based on our use, the Note 30 VIP runs smoothly whether you're playing games or just going through the menu and doing everyday tasks like browsing social media and the like. Together with a 120Hz refresh rate, it's very nice to use and enjoyable at the same time. When gaming, we didn't experience any lag or slowing down when going through the menu, or when playing games like Genshin Impact, Mobile Legends, and Honkai Star Rail. However, we did have to tweak the settings a bit in order to make Genshin and Star Rail run more smoothly on the Note 30 VIP. To give you a better idea of how the phone performs, we'll flash the benchmark scores right here. As for the camera, the Note 30 VIP features a triple camera system highlighted by a 108MP main, a 2MP ultrawide, and a 2MP macro lens. Yes, you get a full 2MP sensor this time as opposed to the Note 30 5G's additional AI camera. The cameras are great as we expected, and interestingly, the colors do appear to be more accurate this time around, at least in perfect lighting conditions. However, it's still decent at best when shooting in low light conditions and at night, even when you're using night mode. We'll flash some of the sample photos here so you have an idea of what the photos look like when taken from the Note 30 VIP. What really surprised us is the capability for the Note 30 VIP to shoot 4K video. Yes, this phone can record at 4K at 30 FPS. Unfortunately, the ultra steady mode does not work with 4K, instead it only works when you're shooting in 1080p at 30 FPS. Nonetheless, it's a big jump over the Note 30 5G and we are welcoming it. The only downside we can think of when you're shooting in 4K is that it will eat up a lot of space, but that can be easily resolved with a micro SD card. Another upgrade INFINIX made to the Note 30 VIP is the front camera. It's now 32 megapixels so you can shoot even better selfies. Heck, even the video is a lot better. The battery on the Note 30 VIP is still a 5000 mAh unit, but it's now capable of charging at 68 watts when using the cable and charger that comes with the phone. But what's even more impressive is that this phone now supports wireless charging of up to 50 watts. It's almost unheard of at this price point INFINIX is offering the phone. In terms of battery life, it did last us the entire day even when we're gaming in between. But we also did a test using PCMark's battery test, so you can check out the score here. Now the moment you've been waiting for, the price. The INFINIX Note 30 VIP retails for just 13,999 pesos, making it affordable for everything it has. And considering what it brings to the table compared to other smartphones in the segment, they better watch out. While the price jump over the INFINIX Note 30 5G is quite big, you do get a lot more with the Note 30 VIP. We think it's very much worth it, especially with the more powerful chipset, 4K video, and 50-watt wireless charging. But what do you think? Will you consider the Note 30 VIP as your next smartphone? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Should we do a comparison between the Note 30 VIP and the Note 30 5G? Well, we can. Let us know what you think. Once again, if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, then do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to watch more videos like this one. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Milos, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.